Have you ever opened your roof insurance estimate, looked at the first check, and thought, wait, that's it? I get it. That number can feel way too small. Here's the part people miss. The first payment is often ACV, actual cash value. In plain English, it is what your roof was worth the day before the storm, after age and wear are taken out. So yes, depreciation might be held back, but on a lot of replacement cost policies, it is not gone for good. When the roof is finished and the invoices and photos are sent in, the carrier may release that recoverable depreciation. That second payment is often what closes the gap. Now, do not assume it applies. Look at your estimate for three things: ACV, depreciation, and RCV, replacement cost value. Before the adjuster visit, take clear photos, keep every estimate and email, and have a qualified roofer check the damage and scope with you. One more thing, if you have a mortgage, the lender may need to endorse the check. It can add time, but it does not automatically mean something is wrong. Bottom line, a small first check does not always mean your roof is underfunded. It may just mean you are looking at step one. If you want another set of eyes on your roof or estimate, Becker Roofing and Exteriors is here to help.